So then we look into the key benefits of HubSpot. So what are the key benefits? How they become success? Okay. So why they have become in the span of even like in the span of you look into when they have launched in 2000 like six. Okay. So they in the short period, like in the year of like almost like in 4 to 5 years, they have seen a massive growth in their requirement. So basically at that time, so in the year of 2006, 2010, so where Google has seen like a good number of visitors, everything. So then after that, even these guys are also seeing a rapid growth. Okay, so then they have like dedicatedly grown in like year by year by year. So when we say HubSpot, so as I said you in the introduction, where we can manage all this stuff. Okay, so it is a single platform where we can perform all this stuff. Like it may be a marketing, it may be a CRM, or it may be a supporting system, or it may be a like a ticketing system, or if you want to build a simple website, or if you want to build a so landing pages. So every activities can be performed with the help of this HubSpot CR. I mean this HubSpot tool. Okay, so this will be one more key benefit is it is easy to use even if you are visiting for the first time. So if you just concentrate for 5 to 10 minutes, so you guys yourself can able to understand how to use this tool. Okay, so how like their UI UX. So it is so simple. So even the freshers can, even the first time, I mean even if you call freshers, or so even you guys, if you create an account, so you yourself can explain, like it's a such a self-explanatory so interface. So it is completely user friendly, so where you guys can start using on your own. So here not only user friendly, they have bring automation system where email automation, tasks, so workflows, notification, and much more. So this you guys will understand once we enter into the actual interface. So you guys will come to know how exactly this email works, how exactly the ticketing system works, what you mean by tasks, how to create tasks, how the task will appear. So these each and everything will be shown in the interface. Okay, so then the greatest I can say, so the best, or we can call it even the greatest free version. So they are giving almost all their tools free. Okay, so where we can explore for a limited days only. Okay, so we can explore all their tools, for a 14 days without using any credit or debit card. Okay, so in the free version we can explore, but it is again limited to certain point of interaction with their software. So if you want to use their complete power pack automation everything, then we need to go ahead and subscribe for their tool. So this is the stuff. So here, so in the free version, as I said, you can create forms, you can you can go ahead and create or build your email templates. CRM they have, so up to 1000 contacts, so we can go ahead and create the CRM and manage our contacts. Chat option they have, where you can integrate this, you can create a chatbot and you can integrate with your own website. Okay, so where you can create your pipelines. So basically pipelines in the sense, so these are if a lead comes, okay, starting from when your lead is hot to conversion, there are plenty of stages will be there. So those stages are nothing but a pipeline. So you can create that pipeline. And ticketing system, this ticketing system, because of this ticketing system, they become much more famous in the market. So none of other tools are giving the ticketing system, so these guys are giving majorly this ticketing system. So this comes all together, it is completely free for 14 days where you guys can do it. So not only 14 days, if you don't want to use their paid version, so you can use their free version lifetime. Okay, so, but it is limited to certain point, so where you won't be able to go behind that limits. So then the scale of your businesses. So if you are a small businesses, or if you want to start, if you are a startup, so you can definitely go ahead and explore this HubSpot. So it will help us in a great way to explore things. Okay, for your business, definitely, like if you are a startup, so it helps in many, and I mean many ways, and you can save the lot of cost. Okay, so it is not only like free version tool. In the free version tool also, it is going to give us a detailed analytics. So let's say if you have done a mass campaigning, an email campaign, so it will give us complete report like how many emails are sent, how many are opened, how many are bounced, okay, how many members have clicked. So we can check all this report here. Okay, so these are majorly the key benefits of HubSpot. So if you look into any other tool, so there are plenty of other tools are there. Like you can explore Zoho CRM, like Zoho tools are there. So they are now not giving this many features for free of cost. So even though the cost wise is they are charging less cost comparative to HubSpot, but they are not giving under the free version. They are not giving anything. So this HubSpot under free version, they are giving so many options so where we can explore.